paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey, paper crafting friends, thanks for joining me today. I am here to share with you the March 2021 Kiwi Club Kit called Grow Where You Are Planted. And I just got this out of my hot little mailbox probably an hour ago. I have not opened it up yet, so we're going to be looking at it together. I always like to flip over and look at the back of the package so I can kind of get an idea of the color palette. I love the turquoises and greens. I'm excited to see. So here we go, you guys. Fun, fun. I know the shipping was a little bit delayed this month because of some things with the manufacturer. So if you are anxiously awaiting your kit, it should be arriving anytime. And if you are not a club member yet, I'm going to ask you again, why not? But anytime you want to find out more information, send me a message or check for some links in my description box, and you can find out a little bit more. So, all right. Uh-oh. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? I was so excited about this. And I think I'm missing my templates this month. So fortunately, Kiwi Lane is amazing about handling things, so I'm sure that I'll get them super quick, but I'll have to send them a message. So I'll just show you on here what the templates look like. I'm really interested to see the sizing on this one, but it looks like leaves that kind of go back and forth. It looks like it'll be a little bit labor intensive to cut out, but totally worth it. There's a little shamrock, a little four-leaf clover, little sprig like some grass, and then the watering can. So those are the templates that are going to be included in this kit. And let's take a look at some of the papers. Isn't that so pretty? That just gets my mind spinning right off the bat. It's got a real pretty green on the back. Look at this fun one. Those little watering cans, they each have a little heart on them and little flowers poking out. Beautiful colors. Kind of a turquoise on the back with some little flowers. Got this green and kind of a gold color. These are really just kind of those subtle companion papers that are going to have a little bit of pattern, but they're going to complement those other bolder papers really well. It's kind of a lighter turquoise and an off-white. This one's like just a really dark navy. And then a turquoise and cream colored stripe. Oh, this is fun. This has got kind of a scallop all the way across it. Beautiful colors. And a real bright yellow on the back. And then we get to the ones that are designed to be your background pages. So there's kind of a light turquoisey teal color, or this kind of rich gold. So there's two of each of those, like two of those. And then this is black. It looks like brick print. And then the other side is the same style of print, but it's an off-white with kind of a taupe line, making that brick design. All right, so such pretty paper. I will take a quick spin through the cards with you so you can see what is included. And as soon as I'm done, I'm going to message Kiwi Lane about my templates. So I like to start with the big ones. I don't know why. So can't get much better than this. These ones are 4x6. And they always have some kind of a printed paper on the back. So I'll just kind of set those down as I finish so you can see what they look like, okay? Then I've got home is a place. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. The love of a family is life's greatest gift. That's beautiful. A beautiful garden is a work of heart. And then this is my happy place. Okay. Then there's some 4x4s. So keep in mind, you can use these for pocket scrapbooking. You can use them for cards. You can cut them into different shapes using templates. So lots of choices here. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Enjoying the landscape today. May your journey always lead you home. So I love that all of these, like I said, if you are not crazy about the front or you just use a small piece of it, all of these papers coordinate really well with the rest of the kit. So, hey there, friend. Happy-go-lucky. I'm lucky to have. So just a cute little journaling block. Grow wild. Remember when. Plant love. Escape. And a good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. So lots of really, really cool sentiment cards this time. This kit could be used for a lot of different spring layouts. Could definitely see it for some gardening. I like to take pictures of just the things that bloom around my house in the spring. This could be a kiddo growing up, senior portraits. Gosh, so many different choices. So this little banner, this grow where you're planted, even this is going to be a great addition to a layout. Just keep your photos away from it because I don't know if the packaging is acid free, but super cute. So anyway, I hope that you guys like what you see. Again, super fun stuff going on, and I am looking forward to seeing what everybody creates. The Kiwi Club collaborations should still be occurring a little bit later this month. We were just kind of waiting to get our hands on the kits and get that going. So tune in for that in another week or so. And we'll be happy to share and see what you like. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.